Welcome. If Snapchat notifications are constantly interrupting you with sounds you don't need, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show how to mute Audible notifications on Snapchat using your Android device, so you can still receive alerts without the noise. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head to your main settings app. This is where all your system-level controls live, including app notification settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it. This section shows you a full list of all installed applications on your device. Next, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its app-specific settings. Now look for the notifications option and tap on it. This is where Android lets you control exactly how Snapchat alerts you. Inside the notifications menu, tap on notification categories. This section breaks down different types of notifications Snapchat can send, giving you more precise control. From here, find and tap on Audible notifications. These are the notifications that make sounds when they come in. Finally, you'll see different options for how these alerts behave. Select Silent. This will turn off the sound for those notifications while still allowing them to appear on your screen.